everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope all of you are doing fine today. Friends, after a very long time, I'm back again with another soap recipe, a cold processed soap recipe. Since the winters have started, I thought of making a soap, which has a little warmer touch to it, which feels a little warmer while you take a shower. So today the recipe that I'll be sharing with you all is a cinnamon and orange soap. The warmth of the cinnamon, it's a little on the hotter side, and it really feels good during the winters to have a shower with the cinnamon soap. So let us get started with the making of the soap. Okay, so here I have taken my blend of oils and butters, and this is already heated and cooled down. Even my lye water solution is already heated and it's cooled down already. So we can start the making of the soap. Now before I add my lye to my oils, I will first add the kaolin clay in the oil itself, and we'll just give it a blend. I like using kaolin clay in my soaps. It gives a nice good bar of, it gives you a nice good hard bar of soap, and it's also very good. It has good properties for cleansing on the skin. Okay, so here I have already blended the kaolin clay with my oils, and now we will add the lye water solution to this. And now we will blend. And also friends, I would like to tell you all that I have started my soap making workshops. I have already finished one of my workshop, which was really, it went off very well. So anyone who's interested in learning how to make cold processed soaps from scratch, we have a beginners and an advanced workshop. So if anyone is interested to join this workshop, you can do WhatsApp on the number that is in the description box. Okay, so now I'll be just making two batches here. One will be the orange and one will be the cinnamon. So I'll just pour this in two different containers. Okay, so now I've taken this in two containers. So in one batch I am adding my cinnamon powder, which I have taken here. I have taken about 1 teaspoonful of cinnamon powder. And in the other one we will be adding our orange peel powder, since this is a orange and cinnamon soap. This is also about 1 teaspoon. We'll just mix it first before giving it a blend. Just make sure that there are no lumps. If you can just try to break down all the lumps that are there. And here we have our orange peel powder. Again, orange peel powder is extremely good for the skin. Very it has very good cleansing properties and glowing. It has a glowing effect on the skin if used on a regular basis. Okay, so now I think we've mixed it enough. We can give this a blend now. Okay, so now since I'm not getting that a little brown color here, I am just adding a little bit of cocoa powder in this to give a little light brown tinge to this cinnamon, so that we have a little bit like a cinnamon brown color. Since I don't use any micas and pigments, I just try to naturally color my soap. So I have used this little cocoa powder, and cocoa and cinnamon is also a very good combination. So this will surely look nice. Okay, and I will add my orange essential oil here at this point, because I think it's already thickening now. The batter is beginning to thick, so we'll even put our essential oil and give it a nice stir. Okay, so now quickly we'll pour the batter in the mold without wasting any more time. If you can see, the batter is already beginning to thicken. So we'll just pour this batter here now and just give it a tap. This really smells very nice. I'm getting the lovely cinnamon smell here, cinnamon and orange. It's a very nice fragrance. Okay, and now slowly we'll put the other batter on top of this, the other color. We'll just slowly pour this so that it doesn't get inside the brown batter, because I just wanted it to be separate. I want both the colors to be separate. Okay, and just give this a little tap here so there are no air bubbles. Okay, so now we'll just pour this to give our tops designing. I've just kept a little brown here for our top design. And friends, do try out this soap. I'm sure you all will love it, because this smells really nice. It has a lovely fragrance. Alright, and now we will just give it the top texturing here. Okay, so here we are done with the making of our orange and cinnamon soap. I hope you all can see how the soap looks right now. I hope it's clear enough. And I'll be just spraying my 99% rubbing alcohol on this. And we'll leave this to dry for the next 12 to 18 hours, and we'll come back once we unmold the soap. Okay friends, so now it's the next day. Our soap is completely dried up. I have unmolded it, and it looks something like this after it's unmolded. And now we will start with the cutting. So I'll just show you how the soap looks. And for all the people who are interested to learn how to make soap, I also conduct soap making workshops. So for more information, you all can WhatsApp on the number that's given in the description box. This is how the soap looks from inside. It's a very small soap that I have made, this batch. So it will look very small. but the fragrance and the essential oil that we have used, the orange and the cinnamon powder, is giving an awesome fragrance to the soap. This was just for my personal use, so it's a small batch that I've made. I thought I'll just share the recipe with you all as well. Okay, so just look at this swirl that it has got, a very cute and a very nice shape inside. Okay friends, so I have cut all the soaps here and this is how they look. Our cinnamon and orange soap, and y'all can definitely try out this recipe and let me know how it has turned out for you. The basic soap recipe shared in the description box. Y'all can try it out and write in the comments how y'all are making the soaps, how is it turning out to be, so that I can come up with more recipes and share more of my soap making recipes with y'all. If y'all do like my channel, y'all like the content that I share with y'all, please do like and subscribe. And thank you so much friends for all your support.